Hey guys, back with another video. So today we're going to be doing a slime scam skit. So let's get on to the video. Hey guys, back with another video. So this girl texted us on Instagram. She said that she wanted a blue slime, a purple slime, and a green slime, and a blue purplish slime.
Because we wrote it down with this crayon.
So we're going to get her that. So these are the blue slimes that I have. Let's get over. Okay, yeah. So I think this is the hardest one.
Ew, yeah, that one's hard. So is this.
But it's not blue. It's green.
It's purple?
It's purple. So we're going to give her this one. This one's super nice. Shut up. We're going to give her this one.
And she did want a bead in it, so we'll put this in it.
No, I'm not giving her this. This is mine.
Oh.
We're going to give her a
Which bead?
We're going to give her a Carmex.
Yeah, give her a Carmex cat. She's giving her a Carmex cat as a gem.
So next she wanted a purple slime, which I have this purple
This
slime.
is purple?
This purple slime.
This purple slime.
And this one.
And then you have more under there. In here.
That's not purple.
Oh, that's pink. Pink. From the container, it looks purple.
Okay, go ahead. Put it back. I'm not giving her this.
Don't.
So
That's
nice.
a good one.
It is so nice. I'm not giving her it.
Yeah,
giving her this.
You're not? Oh, no, don't give her that.
This is purple.
We are giving the best slime YouTuber this one.
We're giving a shout out to Unicorn Popsicle 3138.
Mm-hmm.
She is a good person, and I'm giving her this slime. So let's get on. So I think I'm gonna give her this one. It's purple and
Add it in.
oh, stop. Yeah. So we're gonna give her this one. It's hard.
So here's the gem.
Yeah. So we're gonna give her this one right here. So we're gonna give her this. Okay. Her next slime. And next she wanted a green slime. Am I right?
Blue.
Green.
No, yeah, green. That's not.
Green.
Oh no, she didn't want green. It was like a
Michelle.
pinkish.
Michelle. I think this is Michelle's slime.
Yeah, right there.
This is what's it called? What's that
The
color
strawberry.
called? This is way too nice.
I think it's sand. It's like a sand.
I have both. I have two strawberry slimes.
She wanted sand, so we're not going to give her the sand. We're going to give her the hard one.
This is super hard.
So we're going to give her this one.
Oh,
This one is good.
We're gonna give her this one.
Please don't get on my shoe, and you already did.
Bye. So we're gonna give it to her. I'm gonna be a little girl. So
Where are they?
okay.
This,
Well, I'm playing with
this
my
one.
face for my blocker.
this one.
Where is she? Go give it to her. Come on.
Here.
Thank you.
I hope you like them.
Thank you. Yay, she finally got here. I'm actually playing with my clear slime, but okay, time. Let's see. I think this is my strawberry slime. Oh, I wanted a sand. It is a sand slime. Whoa. It's kind of hard, but it's super cold out, so it's not that bad. So
Ring.
no. Hello?
Do you like your slimes?
Yeah, I only checked that one, but it's really nice. But
Okay, call me back when you're all done.
It got cold while it was in shipping.
Okay, just call me back when you're done and
Okay,
tell me if you
bye.
like them. Bye.
So this one's nice. She did the exact thing I wanted. In one of them, I wanted a charm. Oh, and she gave me some activator. So I think this is my What is this one? Ring, 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 ring.
Hello.
What is this one in the container thing?
The green lid?
Yeah.
That is your grape.
Oh, thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, I think this is my grape sign. Whoa, this is super nice. A little bit sticky, but oh god, let me just add some activator.
It's mini activator.
It's hard to get out. It was hard to get out, sorry. I added the activator. So, whoa, this is nice. And she did let's smell it. Whoa, it smells like grape. So, okay, let's put it back in the container. I hope she likes the last one. But they're not just the scams. They're really, really hard. She wanted them really soft and really hard. I think this is my blueberry slime.
These two are really hard, and she wanted them really soft, so don't tell her.
Whoa, this is nice. Okay. I think this is my charm. Well, I like it. It's a red charm.
Wait, we're supposed to give her a green one.
Whoa, I love it.
It's supposed to look like this color.
I love it. Oh, whoa, this is so nice.
This last one right here is a
I
really...
already tried it. I already did that.
Or that one is a really soft one, and she wanted it to be really hard.
Whoa, I wanted it to be really soft, and it is.
I thought it was hard. She apparently did not.
No. Oh, whoa. Oh, it's super sticky. So sticky. It's so sticky.
Did you
I
get
need
this
an
at Santa
activator.
Claus? Did you get this at Santa Claus?
Yeah, it's so sticky. What happened?
So
It's so
activities.
sticky. I need activator.
Okay, I'm going to go get some activator. So, I'm going to go get some.
Okay,